Thank you, Ms. Bailey. Good afternoon, esteemed faculty, distinguished guests, proud families and friends, and most importantly, to the graduates of 2023. Welcome to the commencement ceremony of Benson High School Class of 2023. My name is Zelda Tu, the senior class president, and I am honored to be in front of all of you today. I cannot help but reminisce about how all we've ever talked about was growing up. And now, here we are, ready to start the next chapter in our life. We no longer are the 80-year-old kids dreaming about what the future holds and all the possibilities that comes with it. With that being said, we will no longer wander the halls of our school or share laughter with one another. We will now be achieving something even bigger. However, growing up means there will be hardships, mistakes, lessons, tears, and laughters. But that only means we are learning. We are now responsible for our actions, and whether there will be positive or negative consequences to that is solely up to us. Growing up means finding ourselves and what we truly love. We will continue to explore the world around us and continue to take in new experiences. Now for me, growing up meant being a perfect person and taking charge of what my parents or siblings couldn't do. Growing up also meant many hardships and even the possibility of being filmed at certain points. Coming from an immigrant family has not always been the easiest. Being told I was mature for my age did not mean a compliment. It only displayed how I never got to be a kid like most children my age. But I continued to dream big. Having to face language barriers and cultural differences only made it clear that I needed to step up. I continued reaching for bigger opportunities, as well as making sure I thrived in my education. Retaining knowledge was the biggest part of my growth, as I truly never got the opportunity to truly learn. Today, it shapes me as someone who has and will always be wanting to reach for bigger opportunities in life. But being assessed as someone who is mature for that age assisted in me opening more doors that were full of opportunities. However, I wouldn't have dreamt so big if it wasn't for my mother. She has been my biggest supporter and my best friend. She always made sure I stayed focused on what I wanted to do in life. And she's been with me every step of the way to now. Growing up will continue to be a journey for all of us. It will differ for all of us. We will continue to thrive and become an even better version of ourselves now. So 15 years from now, we can look back and reminisce about how far we've come and how much we've achieved.